Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add link to your TikTok bio. So if you don't have 1,000 followers on your TikTok, but then you want to add another platform web link that you have to your TikTok bio, you can just simply follow the steps. So if you would want to only add another social platform link like YouTube, Instagram, or maybe Twitter, you don't have to have 1,000 followers on your TikTok, so you can just easily go to your profiles, and then here tap on this edit profile, and then you can just scroll down and you'll find this social section. This is where you can add your Lemonade, Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter account. So for example, in here I've already add my YouTube account, my YouTube link. So I'm going to reset this first to show you. You can just tap on this add YouTube options, and if you because you already signed into your YouTube account, now you can just simply choose your Google account that you use for your YouTube. You can tap on continue, and just like that, the YouTube link will be inserted or added into your TikTok profile or bio. But then if you want to add a website link at your own website, here you need to switch from personal to professional account on TikTok. So you can just go to the settings and privacy on TikTok, click on the three lines icon, go to the settings and privacy, then you can tap on account, and here you'll see switch to business account. But since I've already switched into business, so this only shows switch to personal. And after you switch into the business the professional account, you can go back to the edit profile in here, and then here you can click on this at your website. But then here you need to fill in some form first before you can edit your website to the TikTok bio. So you need to agree first and tap on get started. Here you need to fill in the basic information about your business, such as the legal business name, the address, state, city, and the last one is this website that you can fill in with your own website. For example, just like this. After you fill in the form, you can just tap on next, and your website will be added to your TikTok bio. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.